If you want to add a comment section to your blog, one easy way is with Disqus. Start a free 30-day trial with no credit card required for the Plus plan, then send an email to Disqus support, self-identifying as a small non-commercial site, and they should get you set up with the Plus plan for free. Pretty cool. Once you're logged into your new account, click Get Started, and I want to install Disqus on my site. Enter the name of your blog. I'm going to call mine Tutorial Zonelet. You also have to select a category. I'll choose Tech. Disqus will ask what platform your site is on, and you'll notice that Zonelets is not in these default options. So hit I don't see my platform listed. Install with universal code. If you need more guidance, you can follow the instructions in Disqus's video tutorial, but I'm going to keep on going. Select the code that Disqus tells you to, and copy it. Now head over to your NeoCities dashboard and open My First Post. I like to put the comment section directly below the next and previous links. Disqus includes these recommended configuration variables, but as far as I can tell, they're not really relevant to super simple sites like Zonelets, so I'm just going to delete them for now. If we save and view the site, we'll see that Disqus comments now load. We could leave this as is, but there's something else that we could do to make life simpler for our future self. Select all of the code from Disqus in the script tag, and we're going to cut this. Now, open up your dashboard, open up the scripts folder, and edit your script. Scroll down to the bottom, and we'll make a new section and call it Disqus Comments Script. And paste that in. Remove the script tag, that's HTML. And this script is already called in your HTML files. We're also going to save this file and fix the indentation. Now, even though all the Disqus scripts aren't in our post, they are called because our post calls our script file and brings in this code. Now, we don't have to paste all of that code in every single post. We can just include div id equals Disqus thread along with this no script message that appears if JavaScript is not enabled and tells the reader that they need JavaScript for Disqus comments. You might want to copy this code and paste it into your post template if you want to use comments on every single blog post. That way, each time you copy your post template to make a new post, the comments will show up by default. For more information on how to use Disqus, please refer to their site, including Disqus 101 and Need Help.